Good morning, it's Tuesday and I'm back out in the Huron greenhouse, and we still have a lot of great looking color for this week. Here we're looking at Divine Impatience. Look at these gorgeous flats. Nice big heavy full flats, bud and bloom. Here we're looking at a brand new delphinium, and this is Red Lark, and this has a really cool flower. It's something new to the market, and it's just coming up now, starting to throw some bud. We got some nice big plants. It's your chance to try a very new variety on the market. It's sort of a salmon red color. You can see they're just starting to throw bud. Good value on these. Hot new plant, Delphinium Red Lark. So here we have a block of fiddle leaf fig, and these are great indoor and outdoor plants, so you could put these out on the patio and then take them in and make a statement inside as well. Gorgeous fiddle leaf fig. Here we're looking at Impatience, and I'm in a small block here, but I think you can still see how nice and big they are. Big, heavy, full flats. Still got a lot of color on these guys. Look at those hot flowers on the salvia. You know, we got a good selection here. We have the red. You can see nice full plants, bud and bloom, looking sensational. We have the multicolor flats over there. Really nice flats of salvia. Here we're in our combination 12-inch combination pots. These are the annuals, and you can see here all bud and bloom. Good value on these. Nice plants. Here we have our perennial combinations, and you know, this is a really nice plant to have in the garden center because it's just a pick up and go. I mean, they're all nice heavy full 12-inch pots. Beautiful. So here I've got a Tyrinia, you know, and plants that work by color quartz offer a lot of color here. Instant effect. You can see they're loaded with buds. Nice big heavy plants for that instant effect. Be sure to check out our plants that work by color. Here we're looking at Pentas, and again, this is a plants that work by color quart annual. Look at how big and full that is. Just getting ready to set bud. Good value on these guys. Here's another great color quart that we have here. This is a Harmony Series Impatient, and here we have lavender. Look at the bud and bloom on those. You know, this is another quart dahlia. This is a plant that work by color quart. You can see here, nice heavy plant loaded with buds, getting ready to show some color. Be sure to check out the Star Sister dahlias. Another color. I mean, there's multiple colors in these Star Sisters here. You can see these nice heavy full quarts. Gorgeous, impressive flowers on these. As I turn, you can see they're loaded with buds. Sensational plants. Look at the size of this one. This is a quart annual again. This is Alternifera red threads. You can see nice big heavy plants. Good value. Here we're looking at quart petunias. This is a rambling petunia called Sugar Plum. Look at the size of that quart. Big, heavy, full plants. A lot of color. Here we have quart coleus, and you can see this outstanding color here. Good selection of varieties. These are great by themselves in the container, or they add a really nice dimension to a combination pot. In the succulents here, plants that work succulents, and these are quartz. Look how nice and big. This is Sinencio serpens. These are great in those miniature gardens. Good value on these guys. Here we're looking at sedum, and this is sea urchin. Again, a really nice variegated succulent here. Awesome. This is a crassula, and you can see here, this is Princess Pine. Nice texture plant for those miniature gardens. Here's another great looking succulent. This is Sedum Ogden. You can see this gorgeous chartreuse foliage. Nice ground cover plant. Beautiful. Look at that beautiful Echovera. This happens to be Fred Ives. Nice big heavy quartz. Good value. You know, we still have some beautiful succulents available here. We're looking at a quart. That's right, it's a quart. And look at this one. This is Topsy Turvy. Good value on these. Here's another outstanding Echovera. This one is Rosea. Look at the size of that guy. Wow. Awesome plant in a container by itself or in a combination. These are also used in miniature gardens. Echovera. Look at these beautiful succulents. You can see the guys are at it early, and they're bringing down just tons of these 10-inch geraniums. Nice heavy full plants here, guys. Look at the flower buds on them. Gorgeous. They got hangers on them. We put them in our boomerang system, but they are in 10-inch pots. Nice heavy full plants. 10-inch geraniums. So here I'm in the quart geraniums, you know, and these are gorgeous red geraniums. I just picked up one here to show you. Nice heavy full plants, budded like crazy, you know, and these are gorgeous throughout the summer. Here's another look at our indoor fern program, and gorgeous pots here. This one is Maya. This one is called Tricolor, and you can see the really nice hues of deep rich green and coppers and bronze. This is a cute tight compact one. This is Lemon Button. Look how nice and full that is, guys. Good value on these. We have Emerald Vase. The one we're looking at is called Victoria Bird Nest. Here we're in the spikes, and this is Dracaena spikes here. Let me just bring this up and show you. Nice heavy plant. This is great in a combination pot. Gives you that nice texture. Here's another awesome plant to put in your combination pot. This is Vinca Vine. Look at these quartz. They're really nice. Got long runners to them. Add a lot of interest to your combination pipes. Vinca Vine. Wow, look at this Brugmansia. You know, this is a great variegated color tropical. You can see here, nice full 19 centimeters. Good value. Here we're looking at celosia, and they're just starting to bud up. I'll show you this gorgeous plant. Look at the flowers on these guys. This is celosia intense. Here's another celosia. This one's lipstick. Beautiful bud and bloom plants. And here you can see our veggies are shipping out. This is plants that work in the kitchen. And you can see these big, beautiful tomatoes here. Nice, big, full plants starting to flower. You can see here, flower means fruit. So this would definitely get you a jump start on the garden this year. Well, if you like things hot, you definitely want to try this pepper. This was one of the hottest. This is the Carolina Reaper. And beautiful plants, as you can see. I'll zoom in here. You can see they're starting to flower. They'll be forming fruit soon. This is a hot one, Carolina Reaper. Here are some of the herbs that we have here. You know, and these are gorgeous little 6-packs. We're looking at basil, and this is a really nice plant to have next to the grill. Here's another great herb. This is grapefruit mint. You know, we have a lot of selections of mint and beautiful big plants here. Plants that work in the kitchen, herbs. Here we're looking at colocation. This one's black coral. It's got that real deep, rich color to it. This is a second crop coming in. And these, and you can see really nice full plants. Black coral. I wanted to walk through the perennials, and as you can see, they're moving quite rapidly right now, but we still have a lot of nice plants. This is heuchera plum pudding. So you can see this whole block of these beautiful heuchera. This is a very popular one. This is called Black Pearl. Look at the size of this beauty here. This one's berry smoothie. This one block here is a second crop, and this one is Carmel. Here's another great selection. This is a Heucherilla. Look at this one, guys. This is a brand new one called I Spy. Proven winter selection, and it is just gorgeous. Look at this electric color. This is a nice chartreuse variety. This one is lime marmalade. Very nice, big, heavy plants. Good value. Well, this one's Ligularia, and it's bottle rocket. And you can see these are gorgeous 2-gallon plants here. Nice size, beautiful shade. Garden plant. It gets that really tall spike of flower, and you know, these bloom a little bit later, but they're just now starting to throw a spike up. You should see some more like this one here in the week ahead. Here we have another very popular new plant from the Proven Winter selection. This is Wild Rose, and it has almost an iridescent look to it. I mean, this color is just outstanding. Bernera Jack Frost. That is a 19 centimeter, guys. Outstanding big plants. Good value on these. Nice color, and they get those really cool blue forget-me-not type flowers to them. Look at the beautiful color. These are Japanese painted ferns, and you can see nice heavy full plants. Great color on them. Well, here we're looking at our 19 centimeter. This is robust male fern. Good value on these. Nice plants. You know, this one offers a lot of color. This is brilliant autumn fern. And you can see those really nice hues of cinnamon and bronze to the tips of them. Big, heavy, full plants. This is a very interesting fern. This is Dre's Dagger. Again, nice size to these. Beautiful. Here I'm in a house with our flats of Pachysandra. Again, what a value. Nice, lush growth to them. Heavy, full flats. Pachysandra. There's another great value in ground cover. Here we're looking at our 1-gallon Pachysandra. These are exceptional plants. Look at the size of those guys. Fleshed out and new growth. Awesome. Here I'm in a house of our 3-gallon ostrich ferns. You can see here, these are big, beautiful plants. This would make a statement in the landscape. 3-gallon ostrich fern. So this is Carex Everest. You can see here the heat's really kicked in and giving them a flush of growth. They're filling out nicely. Nice variegated plant. Very popular. This is Carex Everest. So here's another very popular plant. And this is Hackenaloa All Gold. Now I'll zoom in here. You can see nice big heavy 19 centimeter perennials. Good color in these. So here we have a whole house of these big, beautiful ostrich fern. Look at these 19 centimeters. They're just outstanding, guys. What a value. So guys, I'm in one of our Bernera houses, and I just wanted to show you these plants. Here, let me just reach in and grab one here. I mean, look at that 19 centimeter, really? This is an awesome value. These are just perfect for shipping right now. Be sure to get them on your order.